I'm Zisha. Welcome back to my channel. मैं सिनेमा के वीडियोस बनाती हूँ and today I'm reviewing Kingdom. It is directed by Gautam Tinnanuri. तेलुगु फिल्म है and you will remember Gautam Tinnanuri from Jersey. इस फिल्म में there's Vijay Deverakonda, Satya Dev, Venkatesh VP, Manish Chaudhary amongst others. The film starts in 1920. हमें दिखाया जाता है कि ब्रिटिशर्स कैसे इतने क्रूअल थे where they were wiping off an entire population क्योंकि उनको वो जमीन चाहिए थी क्योंकि there was a lot of gold and other resources. फिर द फिल्म कट्स टू 70 years later. 1991 में वी मीट विजय देवरकोंडा एज सूरी, हु इज अ कांस्टेबल सर्चिंग फॉर हिज ब्रदर शिवा, जिसको उसने 18 साल से नहीं देखा है. कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि वो कहां पर है, जिंदा है, नहीं है, ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट ही हैज फेथ दैट ही विल फाइंड हिज ब्रदर. द रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी इज अबाउट हाउ ही फाइंड्स और डज नॉट फाइंड हिज ब्रदर, in what situation and circumstances, and how he needs to step up and fight. Mass action film hai, obviously fighting to hogi hi. Now let's talk about what works in the film. It is shot really well. It's technically very sound. There were also subtitles. Thank God. Because last week, Harihara Veeramalu did not have subtitles. Naku koncham Telugu telusu, but a whole film, it's very complicated to understand the intricacies of dialogue. So I was grateful that there were subtitles, okay? It's also a very well-paced first half. It's interesting, it's engaging, the build-up is great, fantastic. Also, I loved ki, yes, there is a part 2, but this in itself is a whole film, which Harihara Veeramalu got wrong. I'm quoting that as example because I saw it last week, but they just didn't even bother with the climax, so they're like, ha, part 2 aayega na. But you need to understand कि that is in continuation. You have a film here. 2-3 जितने भी घंटे की फिल्म है उसमें बताओ ना अपनी कहानी. That this film does really well. There's so much happening in just part 1. Also, it is predictable. Naku telusu, neeku telusu what is going to happen. But the execution is actually fairly good. And the person playing the villain, Venkatesh, fantastic job. Also, Vijay Deverakonda, as always, being very sincere and trying to make everything work. Now, let's talk about what doesn't work. The police brutality in one scene in the beginning of the film on somebody who is not even arrested, not even accused, is so casually we show all these things, it's not okay. Also, the interval block could have come sooner because there's a lot happening and it finishes happening, then interval happens. Kind of spoils the purpose. That entire sequence is pretty good. And the film is a lot like Retro. If you have seen Retro, Surya की film आई थी तमिल में थोड़े वक्त पहले. If you've seen that, then you've as good as seen this film. There's an island, there are people who are trapped, almost enslaved, there's a messiah. I'm not even giving you spoilers at this point. Also, I'm tired of seeing hero who gets stabbed and then gets up and continues fighting like nothing happened. I'm not even a doctor. I can't even understand how frustrated doctors must be seeing such things. Anyway, also the fights are a little bit lame in the sense that it's not well choreographed, okay? In parts, it doesn't work at all. I'll give you an example. One time he's fighting with a knife and he turns around and he has a gun. When did that happen? Also, another time, he is beating up and the villain falls. The villain falls in front of him and then in the next scene, the villain is charging at him from the side. When villain shifted or when angle of the camera shifted, I didn't catch that. But the action I wish could have been better. The emotional bits in the film also don't fully land, but the makers try very hard, very sincerely, but little bit they miss. It doesn't land completely. Otherwise, this would have been a perfect film, but it's going to come on Netflix, so you decide for yourself. Is it a bad film? Absolutely not. Is it a must-watch great film? Also no. So you decide for yourself. I'm just telling you my opinion. And lots more reviews coming on the channel this week. So many releases are there. So like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.